Hi there, let me go ahead and tell you guys how to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch Ultra. Taking a screenshot on your Apple Watch Ultra is a pretty simple things. Let me show you how you can take it. Now, I already enabled that features on my Apple Watch. Now, every time I'm pressing those buttons here, it takes screenshot just like in magic. Now, if you want to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch Ultra, then you have to head over to your settings and tap General. Scroll down here, head over to the section called a screenshot. Just tap on there. Here you'll see this option. Just go ahead and enable that features from here. So you already enabled that features on your Apple Watch there. Now let's hop on and open up something where I want to take a screenshot of. So let's say I want to take a screenshot from the App Store. So I got to press the digital crown button and the power button together, and my screenshot will be taken and will be saved on your photos on your phone. So let me pull up my phone and let me show you how I saved it or where it's saved. So here, if I pull up my phone and if I tap on photos, here you'll see all the saved pictures are actually in here. So let me just make it short, and here as you guys can see, all these pictures I've taken from my Apple Watch Ultra has been saved on my photos. So that's how you can take the screenshot on your Apple Watch Ultra, and that's all about this video. Now, thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and I'll speak to you all later. Peace out.